Very good. And now let's look again how Marts and Dana dances slow foxtrot membership or silver routine with teaching count. Slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at same routine, but this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation step and dance feather step, open telemark and feather ending. Then hover telemark at a corner, feather step, open telemark and open natural turn with outside swivel with extra slow, feather ending and open telemark, followed by weave from promenade position, then top spin at a corner, telemark and natural telemark with extra slow, then telemark, natural weave advanced version without ladies heel turn, 3 step and natural twist turn at a corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.